everyone, Andy from MK with another car for sale. Okay, so I'm in an Indy Classic today, Kawasaki ZZ-R1200 engine, built in 2008, a little bit of age on her, but she's still bloody brilliant. I've got some nice tilt seats in this car. They're a bit hugging, a bit tight, but they're actually very comfortable. The whine from the Sierra dip is there. It's there. Got that noise. Oh, that exhaust. Oh, yes. Oh, that's awesome. The sound from the carbureted engine is just brilliant. No injectors, no nonsense, old school, salt of the earth, dirty hand carburetors, and we love it. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, that sounds so good. The nice little aero screen on it means I get to hold on to my hat whilst I'm driving. I tell you, this is actually quite a comfy ride. That engine is bloody brilliant though. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I like that. Woohoo! Oh, that sounds so good. I tell you, that sound of that little carved engine. Oh, that's bloody brilliant. So good. Being a carved engine, you occasionally get the little pops and spats of unburnt fuel. Now that's pure character. That's what I love about carved engines. If you've grown up around the sort of time of the carved bikes and carved cars, you know exactly what I mean, but there's the smell of the unburnt fuel as well. It adds to the whole feel of the car. It doesn't feel as refined, but I think I like it. It's just as easy to drive as anything else as well. Again, you have to get used to the sequential box, yes, but oh, she's lovely. Oh, she's lovely. That noise, that is addictive. The exhaust is so nice. that's fantastic. Oh, that's so good. Oh, the pop. So this car's brilliant. Really like it. Absolute hoodles of fun. However, I've not told you the best bit. £10,495. Oh, that's bloody lovely. I really like the position of this gear stick as well. It's a perfect height. I love it. Oh, I love this car. Woo. Oh, that noise. It does remind me that the carved engine does remind me, it makes me feel young. I know I'm not terribly old. However, the smell, the feel, the noise, everything, that makes me feel young. Ooh, bridge. Are we ready? Turn on number 2. If I was a brave man, I would ask my girlfriend for this. However, I'm not that brave. So can someone please buy it? This reminds me much of the MX-5 build. It's huge amounts of fun, huge amounts of character. Just a bloody great time. Oh, that sound. So I've ridden some ZZ-R1200s in my time, and they were all right. This makes up for them. This certainly makes up for them. That's a massive amount of fun. Oh, this is more of an ASBO car than the K20. I couldn't be trusted with this. Oh, that overrun. Fun to be had in this car. She might be a little bit on the older side, but she's great amount of fun. I tell you what, this might be one of my favourites so far. Oh, it might be my new favourite. The sun's out, and in Indy with a bike engine. Nice noise. A bit of banging. I am having a good day. So, Indy Classic, ZZ-R1200 engine, carbon fibre tillet seats, Luke harnesses, aero screen, Digi-Dash, Sparco steering wheel, stacked blocks. 10,495. Bloody bargain.